Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about top AI skills you need to learn in 2026. In 1990s, people thought Excel would end office jobs. Instead, it created more employable generation of professionals the world had ever seen. And right now, AI is doing exactly the same thing. The difference, Excel took a decade to change the world, AI is just doing in 2 years. And so if you are typing random prompts into Gemini or ChatGPT, you are already falling behind. My name is Preetham Sahu. I have been working in Google and Google Cloud for past 6 years and the AI industry for past many years. During the time, I have seen something very clear. Every major technology shift scares the people, then rewards the one who takes time to understand it. When Excel came out, the ones who learned it became analysts, consultants and founders. Today AI is doing the same thing, only at 10 times the speed. The truth is most people are using the AI at a very surface level. They open ChatGPT or Gemini, type something random and move on. But who go deeper, who learn how to use AI to solve real problems are already seeing bigger roles, faster promotion and the new income stream outside 9 to 5 job and daily hustle. My goal with this video is quite simple, to give you clarity and direction you need to learn the right AI skill in 2026. So you can grow in your career, earn better, stay relevant no matter how fast the tool keeps on changing. So let's get clear on the screen on 7 AI skills that will define who thrives in 2026. Let's break down this one by one. We will start with the most fundamental one, the skill every other AI ability builds on, the AI prompt systems. The AI skill number 1, you heard that right, the AI prompt system and SOP engineering. Back in early 2025, the internet was flooded with prompt engineering tutorials. Everyone was sharing template, hacks, secret phrases to make ChatGPT or Gemini respond better. And it worked fine, like a magic. You could copy paste the prompt, get a decent result. But over the time, the same prompt started giving you inconsistent or generic answers. Because the models evolved, the prompts didn't. 2 types of prompting dominated the phase. Context engineering, which helped agentic AI workflows produce highly contextual decisions, and JSON prompting, which generated structured outputs like images, videos or layouts. Both were clever but was very still static tricks. Prompt system takes it further. Instead of having one of prompts, you designed a thinking framework for the AI. Just like giving it a brain, you divide the workflow into layers: goals, context, structure, reasoning, execution and the feedback. Once it is built, this system becomes your reusable across your clients, topics or format. You simply swap the goal or tone and AI reproduces your creative logic automatically. For example, imagine you built a prompt system that generates monthly financial summaries for the department heads. Instead of rewriting the reports manually, anybody on the team can use the same template to produce a consistent, polished output. Its standardized reporting saves hours, keeps communication uniform across the organization. Now I can go to 100 other such companies from the same space and sell this same AI feature, maybe with some upsell of updates and maintenance. Let's move on to the AI skill number 2, that is AI data to insights. The second skill is turning data to insights, turning the raw data into usable intelligence using the tools you already have in-house. Over the past year, we have seen dozens of AI native business intelligence platforms hit the market. They look impressive, but most companies won't replace their existing systems overnight. They already have CRMs, Google Sheets, Excel dashboards, internal trackers, and so forth, so on. What they need is not a new tool. They need someone who can connect to the existing data sources, automate the analysis, present the insights in real time. That is where this skill shines. A professional who can plug AI into current reporting system, for example, using Gemini, ChatGPT or Claude to summarize weekly metrics from the sheets, or building a live dashboards that email insights every morning, becomes a massive asset inside any company. You are not introducing disruption, you are upgrading the productivity to a next level. For freelancer and consultant, it is just as powerful. Many small business don't need a full house BI software. It's expensive and overloaded with too much of features. What they need is lightweight custom dashboards that can track exactly what matters to them. Conversations, engagement, revenue, which update automatically. If you can deliver that, you can instantly move from a report builder to strategic partner of choice for them. Let's move into AI skill number 3, AI workflow creation. The third skill is AI workflow creation, the art of connecting tools and AI models so that work happens automatically without human input. At its simplest, it starts with workflow automation. You can connect apps like Gmail, Notion or Google Sheets to platforms like Zapier or Make, so repetitive actions happen on their own. For example, every time a lead fills out a form, Their details are sent to CRM system, a Slack alert is triggered, a follow-up email goes out instantly. It's completely beginner friendly but already saving thousands of hours every week for the people who are already using it. The next level is creating AI agents. Here AI becomes the intelligence layer. Instead of just following the rules, it understands the context, acts accordingly. Imagine an AI that supports tickets, it categorizes them and drafts personalizing messages and routes the urgent ones to right person without touching a thing. Finally becomes a developing agentic AI where AI doesn't just execute instruction, it decides what to do next. Think of a system managing your entire content calendar. It plans, creates, analyzes performance and adjusts strategy automatically using reasoning and feedback loops. At this time, you are no longer automating tasks, you are designing the autonomous system of the future. The AI skill number 4, AI video creation. The fourth skill is AI video creation and is one of the most misunderstood creative skills out there in the market. Over the past year, AI tools like Runway, Gemini's VO, or even Nano Banana, Kling may have made it possible to generate cinematic videos from text and images. But here is the catch. Prompting alone doesn't make you a creator. This tool doesn't replace your creativity. They demand it. Anyone can type it, make a product ad for a smartwatch. But to get something that looks real, connects emotionally, and fits the brand aesthetics, you need a creative mind behind the machine. You have to think about the camera angle, spacing, lighting, music, mood, and then translate all of that into a single prompt. The AI doesn't imagine for you, it builds what you imagine. That's why this skill is becoming so valuable for creative agencies and marketing teams. Brands no longer need to shoot everything from the scratch, but they still need people who can direct AI, people who can turn abstract ideas into visual storytelling through precise context-rich prompt. In other words, this flips the narrative. AI makes people lazy. The more visionary you are, the better AI perform for you. Skill number 5, AI software development. The fifth skill is AI software development, and this one is changing how the products get built even by the people who doesn't know how to code. Tools like Lovable, Rocket, even Google Admin Studio lets you prototype full web apps, dashboards, or internal tools just by describing what you want through a prompt. This means product managers, marketeers, or anyone with an idea can bring to life without waiting for a developer's involvement. Traditionally, teams have relied on something called Product Requirement Document or PRD to guide what needs to be built and why. But with AI software tools, the PRD has actually become more important, not less. It is harder to explain your exact vision to an AI than to a human. So clearer the PRD, the better the output. A well-written PRD helps these tools understand the intent, the logic, the flow, turning your ideas into prototypes that gather feedbacks for faster than traditional development ever could. There are multiple prototyping layers involved, defining the goal, logic, interface, but the real power isn't not just knowing the tools, it is in how you think. The mindset has shifted from building it perfectly to build fast, test it, fail fast, and learn and move on. Engineers use AI to validate ideas before even writing the production gate code. Product managers create clickable mockup to collect feedback before asking for the resources on the ground. AI has turned product creation into a speed game. AI skill number 6, AI-powered sales system or follow-up engine. This sixth AI skill is AI-powered sales system, the ability to build and operate self-running engine that can find leads, talk to them, follow up, and book meetings almost on their own. At first glance, this might look similar to workflow automation, but actually it is not. Automation simply runs predefined tasks. AI-powered sales system add intelligence, qualify the leads, drafts personalized messages, and analyze replies, decide what to do next. They don't just follow rules, they understand the pattern. Still, there is no such thing as perfect AI system that closes deal for you. Sales is built on trust and emotions, and those things cannot be automated. What AI can do is remove the repetitive, boring, mundane work, finding prospect, enriching the idea, writing the draft, sending reminders, and managing the follow-ups. The real magic happens when you combine the both. The most effective setups are human-in-the-loop sales system where AI handles the grunt work while the humans step in for genuine conversation and relationship building. Picture an AI that researches leads, sells personalized intros based on their website or LinkedIn profile, keep a track of their responses, and notifies you the moment a reply looks promising. You take over from there probably to close the deal. This is what a model sense enablement look like. Now, if you have been following closely, you might have noticed something. I said we will discuss 7 skills, but on the screen you have only seen 6 so far, and there is a reason behind it. And the reason is the 7th one is not an AI skill at all. It is actually an anti-AI skill. It is called meta learning. Anti-AI skill, meta learning. Yes, you heard that right. Meta learning is the ability to learn how to learn new AI tools quickly, confidently, and systematically. It is what separates people who panic at every new launch from those who adapt it overnight. And here's it how it works in practice. Step 1. Recognize patterns in newly launched AI tools. Most new products are just variation of the existing tool which is already there. Spot those similarities early. Step number 2. Build the mental models of the AI stack. Understand where each AI tool fit. Data, reasoning, content creation, automation or interface. Step number 3. Test the tool on a problem you have already solved. This is your benchmark. If it performs better, great. If not, quickly move on. Step number 4. Evaluate objectively accuracy of the response, cost and reruns of the prompt. Don't fall for it worked once results. Run multiple tests before trusting it completely. Step number 5. Document what you learn. Turn your findings into templates, prompts, recipes or small automations you can reuse or share. That's how you turn learning into leverage. Once you master this process, no AI update, model or a trend will ever throw you off balance again. While meta learning doesn't directly pay you, it compounds every other skill. People who adapt it grow 2x to 3x faster in capability and income because they never have to start over again when the tools change. So these are the 6 AI skills that make you money and keep you ahead in 2026 and the 1 skill that keep you relevant for your life. This video was a genuine attempt to make you confident, to give you direction on where to go from here. And to remind you, you don't need to chase every new AI trend or a tool that pops up on your feed. Because once you have mastered that 7th skill, the anti-AI skill, you never need to watch videos like this out of panic again. You will watch out them of curiosity to simply to see what's new and see how it fits what already you know. If this video gives you clarity, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs the direction right now. And if you like to break down with any of these new skills in depth, drop a comment below and tell me which one you want next. Hey, if you have not met me, my name is Preetham. I am a TEDx speaker. I have recently gave a TED talk on Gemini Enterprise, which was called earlier Agent Space. It got rebranded with new features. And I happen to author a book called Demystify Generative AI for Everyday People. And link in the description below. Thanks for tuning into my channel and video. Thanks for time. Stay tuned to more such videos coming in your way.